Hi, I'm Tabitha. In this photography class, I'm going to show you how to create your own backdrops to improve your tabletop photography. This is great for anyone who wants to take better, cleaner pictures of food or products or anything that you might be working on. The backdrops that I show in this class range from your clean, classic white look all the way to chalkboards, tile, and then I'm even going to show you how to grout a panel for a mock backsplash feel so that you don't have to remodel your whole kitchen to get that look. You can just create your own portable, versatile backdrop for that. Everything I'm going to show you ranges from stuff you may already have to about $20 said and done. So I'm trying to keep it really affordable and attainable, and everything I show you here can be easily stored or transported, and I'll show you the gear that I use to keep my backdrops sturdy and how I shoot in my house to utilize the natural light and kind of the disaster that you can expect when you're doing these kind of shoots. So yeah. I'm really excited. The class project, I'll have you create one of the backdrops I show here and then photograph some items on it so we can see what you came up with. My name is Tabitha. I'm a lifestyle, family, and baby photographer, a content creator for Instagram, and I also teach a bunch of classes here on Skillshare. If this is your first time seeing my face, just know I have a ton of other classes at my profile, which can show you how to use your camera better, photograph food, people, the whole deal. If this is your 10th time seeing my face, welcome back, and let's get started.